Welcome to Spectrum Sphere, your portal to a diverse world of discovery. Today, we delve into the fascinating history of DNA, the very blueprint of life itself. If you're passionate about science and the stories that shape our understanding of the world, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and join our community for new and intriguing content every week. Building on the foundations of early biology, humanity's quest to understand heredity began with curious minds observing the inheritance of traits through generations. Ancient theories, from preformationism to blending inheritance, were the precursors to our modern understanding, setting the stage for a revolution in the field of genetics. Gregor Mendel, often known as the father of genetics, was a key figure in unveiling the laws of inheritance. His meticulous experiments with pea plants in the mid-1800s allowed him to observe how traits were passed down, leading to his formulation of the foundational principles that govern genetic inheritance. Our journey to uncover the molecule of heredity began with a mystery nestled within the cell. In the early 20th century, researchers grappled with the question, what carries genetic information? This quest united scientists from varied disciplines, all racing to uncover the secret core of life itself. In 1928, Frederick Griffith's groundbreaking experiment set the stage for a genetic revolution. He discovered what he called the transformation principle, observing that harmless bacteria could transform into virulent ones when exposed to heat-killed pathogenic bacteria, hinting at a mysterious substance capable of transferring genetic information. Building upon Griffith's transformative study, Oswald Avery, along with MacLeod and McCarty, took a scientific leap in 1944, identifying the substance responsible for heredity. Their meticulous experiments revealed that DNA, not protein, was the genetic material, paving the way for the modern understanding of genetics and hereditary processes. In 1952, the Hershey-Chase experiments further solidified DNA's role in heredity. Utilizing bacteriophages and radioactive labeling, Martha Chase and Alfred Hershey distinguished between DNA and proteins, demonstrating that it was indeed DNA that carried genetic information, not protein as previously thought, an unequivocal turning point in molecular biology. As we delve deeper into the DNA saga, we encounter two ambitious scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick. Both intrigued by the elusive structure of DNA, their collaboration at Cambridge University would soon lead to a groundbreaking discovery, forever altering our understanding of biology. Moving forward in our DNA discovery timeline, we cannot overlook Rosalind Franklin, whose critical X-ray crystallography work provided the clearest evidence yet of DNA's helical structure. It was her meticulous photograph of DNA, famously known as Photo 51, that gave Watson and Crick the final clue they needed to build their model. With Franklin's data in hand but unaware of her full contribution, Watson and Crick entered what was an intense scientific chase. Researchers worldwide were piecing together this life's puzzle, but it was in Cambridge where the iconic double helix would finally be unveiled, forever changing our understanding of biology. In 1953, the revelation of DNA's structure was likened to uncovering life's deepest secret. Watson and Crick pieced together a double helix, a twisted ladder with specific pairing rules that elegantly suggested a mechanism for genetic inheritance. This turning point in biology was now set to unlock the mysteries of life itself. DNA's chemical structure is a marvel of nature, consisting of a long chain of nucleotides. Each nucleotide is comprised of a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. These bases, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, are the alphabet of genetics, spelling out the instructions for life. Understanding base pairing is crucial. It's DNA's way of ensuring accurate information transfer. Adenine always pairs with thymine and guanine with cytosine, forming the rungs of the DNA ladder. This specificity dictates how genetic instructions are passed on, making the sequence of bases the essence of heredity. The discovery of DNA's structure was a monumental leap in science. It unveiled how information is stored and replicated, allowing life to continue across generations. This understanding has paved the way for revolutions in biology, medicine, and technology, fundamentally changing how we approach the very essence of life itself. The double helix model of DNA is ingeniously suited for replication. Each strand serves as a template for a new complementary strand. Enzymes called DNA polymerases facilitate the addition of nucleotides, matching A with T and C with G, to build a new strand, ensuring genetic fidelity is maintained. The discovery of DNA's structure revolutionized genetics, transforming it from a deductive to a molecular science. Inherent in DNA's blueprint lay the keys to understanding genetic inheritance, variation, and mutation. This pivotal breakthrough provided the foundation for modern biotechnology, enabling precise manipulation and study of genetic information. Transitioning from the complexities of structure to practical application, we delve into the Human Genome Project. Launched in 1990, this ambitious endeavor decoded our genetic script, mapping all the genes in human DNA. Its completion has catapulted medical research forward, enhancing our understanding of genetic disorders and paving the way for personalized medicine. As we marvel at the capabilities of genetic research, we must also navigate its ethical landscape. Questions of privacy, consent, and the potential for genetic discrimination arise. With great power comes great responsibility. To use genetic information wisely, ensuring it benefits society without compromising individual rights or deepening inequalities. DNA sequencing technologies are rapidly advancing, paving the way for monumental breakthroughs. They promise enhancements in personalized medicine, enabling treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles. Beyond healthcare, they could revolutionize agriculture, biofuels, and even support biodiversity by helping to save endangered species through better understanding of their genetics. Moving to the frontier of genetics, we encounter gene editing and the revolutionary tool CRISPR-Cas9. This groundbreaking technology allows scientists to edit DNA with unprecedented precision, opening doors to potentially cure genetic diseases, improve crop resilience, and even eliminate pests, radically transforming our approach to biological science. DNA's role extends beyond research labs. It has become pivotal in forensics and paternity testing. By analyzing genetic markers, forensic experts can identify suspects with remarkable accuracy, while paternity tests use DNA to determine biological relationships, powerful tools shaped by our understanding of the double helix. As we delve into the realm of personal heritage, DNA serves as a gateway to our ancestral past. Remarkably, by tracing genetic lineages, it's now possible to map out family trees and uncover the migrations and interminglings of distant forebears. This has revolutionized how we explore and understand our personal history. Advancing into medical diagnostics, DNA's potential is truly profound. By identifying genetic markers, doctors can now predict an individual's susceptibility to certain diseases, tailor treatments to the patient's genetic makeup, and even detect illnesses before symptoms arise, paving the way for preventive healthcare and personalized medicine. DNA research has ignited a revolution in cancer therapy with the advent of precision medicine. Targeted treatments are now developed by pinpointing specific genetic mutations within tumors, allowing for more effective and less toxic therapy options. Each patient's unique genetic blueprint guides oncologists in crafting individualized treatment plans. Moving beyond traditional treatments, the concept of gene therapy presents a groundbreaking approach. By introducing, removing, or editing genes within a patient's cells, we have the potential to cure genetic diseases at their source. This transformative technique offers hope for conditions previously deemed untreatable, making the concept a beacon for future healthcare breakthroughs. Storing information in DNA presents a promising frontier, yet it's not without hurdles. While DNA offers an incredibly dense and stable medium, challenges remain such as high costs, slow read-write processes, and technical complexities in encoding data. Nonetheless, as techniques improve, DNA could revolutionize how we preserve our digital legacy. As DNA science progresses, it's key to address public perception. Misinformation can lead to unfounded fears, such as concerns over genetic privacy or designer babies. It's crucial to foster an informed dialogue about the benefits and ethical boundaries of DNA research, ensuring scientific facts guide the conversation and public policy. DNA has captivated our imagination, weaving its way into popular culture and media. From movies like Jurassic Park that play with the concept of DNA cloning, to crime dramas that solve mysteries with forensics, our fascination with genetic code continues to inspire storytellers and educate audiences about its scientific wonders. As we look to the horizon, ongoing research in DNA science promises even more breakthroughs. Emerging fields like epigenetics are exploring how environmental factors influence our genes. Meanwhile, advancements in synthetic biology might one day allow us to create artificial life forms, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of life itself. Understanding DNA extends beyond the microscopic scale. It's about comprehending the fabric of life. This knowledge empowers us to address hereditary diseases, improve food security through genetically modified crops, and even tackle existential threats by preserving biodiversity. Grasping DNA's role is essential in navigating the future of our species and our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the twists and spirals of DNA, the very blueprint of life. If you've enjoyed exploring the depths of genetics with us here at Spectrum Sphere, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more diverse and engaging content every week.